Hello, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my base makeup. Many of my tutorials focus on something like an eyeshadow palette. I often use the same base of makeup, which is very similar to what I wear every day. While I usually link the products in the description box, I wanted to just do a quick tutorial to show you how I apply that base. So first let's start with brows. Today I'm going to be using the Colourpop Boss Brow in Taupe. So usually I start off kind of using this spoolie to brush my brows into place. I like to use short hair-like strokes so it kind of looks like actual hairs. When I'm done with that, I like to run the spoolie through again just to sort of soften everything up. I'm not a huge foundation person, so most days I skip primer and foundation altogether. Instead, I use something like this Kaja Don't Settle Concealer. This is the shade Mooncake, and I like to just sort of dot it on anywhere that I have redness. So for me, that's like my cheeks, my nose, my chin, and anywhere that I might have a blemish that day. Usually I just sort of rub this in with my fingers. I try to avoid any dry patches or anywhere that it tends to sit, like the smile lines. Next I'm going to take some under eye concealer. This is my favorite Glow Skin and Beauty under eye concealer in Beige. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this beige tone and apply it under my eyes. I have a whole video where I explain this as well, but basically I just pat it on wherever the darkness is, and this peach shade helps to color correct all the dark sort of purplish circles under my eyes. I also like to apply a little bit in this inner corner here. You can see a little bit of purplish darkness there as well. Before I set that with powder, I like to go in with an eye primer as well. Today I'm using the BareMinerals Primetime Eyelid Primer. So I just take a tiny bit on my ring finger and then I pat it on each of my eyes and sort of blend it in. Now I'm going to go in with the Lawless Seal the Deal setting powder. This is just a translucent setting powder, and I like to sort of swirl my brush in the cap and then press it into the under eye area. I try to make sure I don't have any creases in my concealer before I do this, otherwise this setting powder will set them right in. So that's pretty much it for my base makeup. If you'd like to see more of a completed look, you can check out my full face videos or my eyeshadow tutorials. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.